Uh-oh, he's back on the sauce. Hey guys, what's going on? Thanks for tuning in. I'm gonna try to do a little bit of fishing and camp out, but there's people up there right now, so I don't know if I'm supposed to camp out, but we'll see what happens. Right now I'm just gonna walk in with my tackle box. Come here. Come here. Got the pups with me. Just gonna do some catfishing. Just got stink bait, nothing too crazy. It is St. Patty's Day. Ow! St. Patrick's Day. So I did bring a couple brewskis. Yeehaw! Alright, for the time being, we're just gonna hike in with some stink bait, and we're gonna see what happens. We're just winging it. My buddy Mike's supposed to meet up with me. We'll see how this all plays out. Welcome back to the shit show.
Well guys, here it is. There was a truck up here when I drove. Dogs are loving it. Maybe I'll be alright. Hot dog. We have beachfront property. These are deer prints in sand. I think we'll camp right up here. Set up camp right there. We'll have a fish right down there. That's a nice look at the land. Maybe if my fat fingers can focus. Pretty cool. Well guys, I followed the trail down. I found another way to get in. Oh, don't do that. Oh, or do maybe. So I can drive all the way in. The dogs were loading up. They were like, come on, we're not leaving, are we? Oh. They haven't been out in a bit. But yeah, at least we're gonna drive right in. I don't have to haul my gear in that far. So we're doing good. It's going great so far. All right, how you feel? Great. All right, we love you, Cleveland. Perfect. Get to drive right on up there. Don't mind that rattling sound. She needs some loving. It's a $1,000 Honda. That's all right. I think I can drive right to my destination. Hide my car and everything. Hopefully we don't get stuck in the sand. Oh, we're gonna have front row seat with the car, so I don't have to haul anything. Perfect. I'm just gonna park it right on here. Why not? No seatbelt. Oh my God, you're a rebel. All right. Well, first I'm gonna get. I brought the instant cabin, the one that I use for a hot tent, but I didn't bring the stove because the place where I buy the wood for that is highly populated, and with the coronavirus crap, I'm avoiding people. That's what I do most of the time anyway, but I mean, I might be able to find some driftwood around here to have a little fire outside the tent. But I brought my little camp stove to cook on if we catch anything, and if that backfires, then I brought some hockey puck pork and some vegetables. Okay, all right. I'm a little worn out. Just came from work. See how much sand the dogs can track in here, huh? Ooh, that wind's gonna play a factor. We're gonna go flying, Brian. Oh yeah. Oh boy. The wind's about to take it. Hey, I found a quarter. dang foot. I don't know how well these stakes are gonna hold. Check these stakes out I found at the It's 5 store. They're like a big ol', I'd say about a 1/4 inch, maybe 9 inches long. Aluminum, so they're lightweight and heavy duty. Upgrade for this tent. It came with those puny little 1/8 inch ones. Bury it in the sand, we'll see what happens. Well, this sucks. Just got the tent set up. Already starting to rain. I'm gonna get the camera put away in here for now. Pull out the GoPro before it starts dumping. Buddy Mike's here. You guys remember Mike from the farm homestead camp out we did. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We got rain coming in for sure. So we're gonna play it by beer here in a minute.
Got corned beef.
Corned beef and beer. Oh, that's how long I've had this stink bait. I should have looked at it before I left. I'm still gonna try and use it. We'll see what happens. I don't even know if I'll be able to get it to stick as cold as it is. Chilly as it is, I can only get that much to stick to it. But we're gonna run with that.
You missed hooking my lip by 3 foot.
Don't mind Mike. He's got the coronavirus.
It's the end of the world as we know it.
That song's at all-time high right now.
That's the rock. You got bells, I hear bells.
Yep.
Got your drag set good.
I'm just gonna, I don't like the drag.
I don't like the little line post.
I'm just gonna put a bell on it. That way I could drink beer and just wait for a ding-a-ling-a-ding-dong. Nothing with the first cast. No surprise there. We'll cast upstream a little bit. Always have to remember to take your bell off. I can't remember how many times I cast that bell on there and flung my bell out. Oh, the tease of running water. Fish on! I can't even show you guys. It says, hook me up. Still haven't caught none. It's starting to rain. I better get this Canon out of here and GoPro it. Well, as you can see, we're in the tent now. Just hanging out. Wait till we hear ding-a-ling-a-ring ding-dong. Possibly. Check out this little chair. Got these on sale for $3 a piece.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I'll give you $4 for it right now.
I'll give you $4.
I swear to God, dude.
I'll give you $4 right now.
I'm fucking nervous to sit on it though.
It ain't gonna. Yeah, these are pretty neat.
Was there instructions with this?
Yeah, don't fall.
Ain't no back.
Yeah, they're pretty neat.
That's pretty cool. Not for big butts though.
They won't lie. Got this little crank lantern. Harbor Freight for $7. We're just sitting by the river, just talking about all the crazy crap going on in the world right now. All this COVID-19 coronavirus really gets you thinking. Like, what's gonna happen? So I was kind of thinking after this,
tonight I have to hold off on some videos to see just how everything plays out and give you guys some living room comedy or something. Maybe I'll pitch a tent in the living room, kick a couple holes in the wall, get a giggle out of that. Can I try? Now check it out. It's got, if I could find it, a low, medium, and a high. It's not bad. It's not the brightest because it is not the highest quality of crank light, but some light's better than nothing. So go out at your local Harbor Freight and raid the shelves like everybody did the toilet paper. It's crazy. The only place you could find ramen now is Japan. Maybe, I don't know. You want to give it a twist? Yeah. Just pretend you're fishing and break it. It's not the highest quality. That's exactly it. We ain't editing that. That's pure gold. So that's what we're doing. We're just sitting back now.
Can I reel in reverse? Counterclockwise?
I don't know. Don't do that. You're undoing the power. About to fall off the stool. Sorry, I'm kind of shaky. Great balls of fire. Cheers, guys. Hope everybody's being safe. Stay away from people. Wash your hands. And if you run out of toilet paper, flick the turd off your butt. How windy it is. What a constant breeze tonight. Mike Delight. Michael brought a blanket and they took it over. I had a little moving style blanket. They're like, no, that's not soft enough, Daddy. I don't like it. This one's Westwood Tide. Well, I brought my butane stove. We're gonna see if we can get her to sit. Ah, perfect. We're gonna fire up some Hoggy Puck pork, aka bacon wrapped pork fillets, with a hint of sand. Got sand everywhere in here right now. The rain's kind of picking up. As you can hear. You can pull your boots in. Coming out pretty good.
Likes to bring the shoes inside, bro.
Man. Perfect timing. A little vegetable oil. Throw a little seasoning in there too. This is a Creole onion powder, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and a little bit of Montreal stick, and some Lowry seasoning. There's wing stuff. No, I didn't learn from Paula Dean. Never gonna learn if you don't try. So get out there and just throw stuff together and see what happens.
Something's burning, dude.
The bottom of the pan. I need to turn the seat down.
Man, that smells good, dude. Should put some Eckies in there or something.
That shit turned black.
Yeah, dude. Smells good, though.
It's a seasoning. Yeah, it's a seasoning burning.
Bad idea. Yeah, bad idea. I'd stop.
I'd stop. I'm going.
Pushing it to the max. The dog's fucking headbutting this shit trying to get out, dude.
It's okay, buddy. It's okay.
Come on. Come on.
Lay down.
Come on.
Lay down.
He's fucking seriously like.
Alright, it looks kind of funny, but we're gonna eat it anyway.
Oh, dude, I'm cracking this open a little bit, bro.
I'm just gonna cook
die.
it. We're gonna die.
Yeah.
The dog's like, dude, come on, man.
Get me out of
A
here.
little bit of red.
I don't know which one's just the screen.
That top one. Or right here. Oh, it's smoky as heck in here from that beer. The dog wasn't having it. He tried to run out. Canola Mickeys. It's pretty much cooking in Mickey's now. Had to drape a tarp over this because the holes, the tiny pinholes that are up in this, yeah, some of you know. Some of you don't. Some of you won't. Helter skelter. Veggie time. Smother it with veggies.
Can you separate my peas from carrots?
Yeah, the freezer burnt. They've been in the freezer for quite some time. I'm eating my survival food, alright? Check on this mess.
We gotta go.
I put a knife on my keychain. Oh, it's smoky in here. This little knife is perfect for the keychain. Perfect. I need some of it. Oh yeah, I think that pork's done. Oh yeah, we're golden. Nothing too crazy, just a little pork and veggies. Alright, let's see how it tastes. Maybe a little more seasoning up top. Since we burnt the stuff on the pork. If I could do this all in one swoop. Oh, missing my pork, missing my pork.
My mom stopped buying sports.
Oh, that is pretty good.
Told you, man.
Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. Heck yeah. This is 11. It's smoky as heck in here on the camera. Oh man.
Sorry, guys. Maybe I better shut the headlamp off. How about that? Instead of blinding you. Oh, man. Keychain knife delight. Heck yeah, not too shabby. Yeah, those veggies turned out pretty good. We're gonna have to fire up the rest of those.
Those are good. Ain't even touched the meat yet. Vegetables are kicking.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
You definitely taste the beer.
You can taste the Mickey's? I can't.
I can.
Yeah?
But you
I
know,
think it's made it good.
watching you pour it in there, it's kind of hard not to fucking taste it, you know? But
You know, half pint of Mickey's. Kind of, I guess. Like malty.
yeah.
Yeah. Still good.
Oh yeah.
Hey, Paula Dean. Take notes. Alright, guys. Well, anyway. I'm going to finish up Din Din. I picked dog hair out of it. No matter where I go in this world, I always have some sort of my dog's hair to me. Cheers. Boys ready? Who's a good boy? Neither one? Okay. Come here. What? Why ain't you eating it? Too hot? That dog's eating it. What? Eat it. Get it. Take a bite. What the?
It's got coronavirus on it.
You want it? Here. That's strange. That's really strange. Bolt, you're not gonna eat it? He's gonna eat it.
It's crazy. Maybe he's scared of it. It's hot. That smell. Might be that smell.
You want a
because
green bean? He's not even.
He's the one that was freaking out trying to get out.
Well, I tried, guys. That's all you can do. More fried veggies later. Can you get it? Try it. It's worth it.
Penguins play like rock stars.
Penguins play like rock. He said penguins play like rock stars. Wait for the light to kick in. Maybe that's too bright. Can you guys see it or not? I don't know. I can't respond. Chicks dig rock stars. Yeehaw! Kurt Cole bangs.
What the fuck is the first symbol? Dude.
Huh? You bifocals.
Rock and bowler. A. It's Canadian, dude. It's Canadian. Rock and bowler, eh? Pass me a Mickey's.
What'd you say?
Rock and bowler, eh? Pass me a Mickey's.
Rockin' baller. Oh, you silly fucker. It's a figure going here.
It looks like a rock, man.
It looks like a rock.
Hope you guys can see that.
Had music on.
Alright, you're alright. Hopefully it's getting in focus. Bring me another Mickey's. We're starting to get thunder here and there. We're sitting here hanging out. Nothing going on with the fishing lines. It's too cold, windy. Maybe the fish are real deep. You can see how cold it is. Dwayne the Magic Dragon. Anyway, Mike grew a beard.
Good.
Good beard.
Push
So that's what we're doing. We're just sitting around hanging out, having a couple brewskis. Dogs are chilling. The wind kind of stopped. But we got some thunder rolling in. They said possibly thunderstorms here and there, so we'll see what happens, guys. We're just hanging out, and then we're doing that. All right. We'll see you later. Betty. Cooker.
Here comes the rain.
Might get back foot.
Well, guys, comes tonight where I'm just plowing sand off my hands. It's about bedtime. We've had constant rain so far. Everything's steady, like Better Crocker Betty. The Betty White would make us sleep real tight by the end of the night. You hear it. So that's what we're going to try to go to bed to. Yep. Well, anyway, I guess it's about that time. Good night, Betty White. See you guys in the morning. So, Smortion Clinic. Well, guys, morning. It's about 8:30 right now. The wind's blowing. My buddy had to take off at 6. He had to head back up, and they're still making him work. You know, half the town, in my town, they shut down mostly everything due to the coronavirus. A lot of people aren't working. Alright, time to get up, get started. I left that fishing pole out all night. Who knows if it's even still there. Stop it. Lay out. Oh, gotta be honest with you. I haven't been drinking Mickey's lately, so that shit give me a headache.
You look so mad.
All of my gear is completely full of sand. Sand and water. This thing leaked like crazy. Each corner's got water in it. No surprise. I'm not gonna pack everything up. I'm just gonna throw everything in the car. Cause I'm gonna have to let it dry out at home anyway, so that's the game plan. I got a little breakfast, nothing too fancy, but yeah, we're gonna do that here in a minute. Everything's so sandy, man. Gah! Look how dirty this sun gun is. There was water. Now there's still some. This side got a puddle. His sleeping bag was all wet when I picked it up this morning.
well along that side. And notice there's a tear right there. Oh well, make do with what you got. That's so damn sandy! It ain't coming off. Great idea. Oh, whoa, it's pretty sunk into sand. Well, for breakfast, got a banana, some Carnation Instant breakfast, and some milk. Nothing too fancy. Get out of here. You ain't getting nothing. You ain't getting nothing. Get. Get off. Punk. No, it's crazy to think of what's going on. Look at everybody going crazy over toilet paper. Start hoarding food, I guess. What do you do? I don't know, might be some of you tuning in to not hear about that crap, so my apologies, but I can only think about what the future holds. Get off my banana. My banana, boy. No. Tickle, tickle. Well, here's breakfast. The only thing I regret is pitching a tent on this damn sand. I should have went further down. Got out some veggies. Morning. Danger, danger, Mr. Robinson. I was thinking about kayaking that. Oh, no way. That piece of steel just getting ripped around by a lot. Yeah, holding it back. Man, oh, I gotta take a tinkle. Do ya? Just kidding, I interrupted you. Well, the last thing I need to grab is my pole. See if we get lucky. We'll probably get the snag. Oh yeah. That thing's snagged. Well, what's up, buddy? Bottom line. That thing's not on there. Always something. Got some grass. Well, guys, this is it. Heading out of here. Everybody be safe in this strange world we're living in right now.
do your best. Don't mean to get serious, but I guess if any time was serious, now's the time. Some of you may think it's horse shit, but you never know. When supplies stop running low and the semis stop coming, how are we gonna eat? We'll play it by beer, stock up on brewskis. Make every day great exploring Earth. Catch you guys on the next one. Hopefully we're not infected by the next one. Later.